How to relink your Epic Games account to another Xbox account. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's jump right into this tutorial. Starting off, you need to open up your Epic Games launcher or visit the Epic Games website. Now in here, make sure to log in into your account. Once you are logged in, now go ahead and tap on your user icon, which is at the top in your right hand corner. Hover on it, then you need to select the option of account. You'll be redirected to a new web page. Then in the left hand side you will see this list of options. Scroll down, then tap on apps and account. From here, navigate to the section of Xbox. Then tap on the Connect bubble under Xbox. A new page will open up. Tap on Connect Account. Now to relink your Epic Games account to another Xbox account, you have to enter the email address, phone or Skype to log in. Or figure out another sign-in option such as your Face ID, GitHubs, or your account help and support. Make sure to log out of your Xbox account that is previously logged in. By this way, you'll be able to relink your Epic Games account to another Xbox account. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.